Susan G. Komen for the Cure started 30 years ago with a promise between two sisters. Nancy Brinker promised her sister, Susie Komen, that she would do everything in her power to end breast cancer forever. And that's why we're here, and that's why you're doing this beautiful thing of raising awareness and raising money to take care of women with breast cancer. We couldn't be more pleased to be a small part of the women in Greece, helping the women for Greece, everything about your country. So thank you so much. The planning for this event took place last fall. Cleopatra, whom you just met, the chair of the board here, and Melina Vallecchia went to Frankfurt to see how this race is done, and then came back and put on this beautiful race for you here in Greece. So we really appreciate that. We've met some incredible friends already here today. The USA Girl Scouts, the Athens South chapter is here. Yay! And the American Women of Greece are here. Thank you for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being here. It's wonderful. And the American communities and schools were just very pleased that we had the people come out and help the women of Almazoias and all the wonderful sponsors. And I want to tell you that this very day there are 5 races for the cure happening around Europe. There's one in Bologna, there's one in Frankfurt, there's one in Antwerp, and there's one in Zurich. But I know that the one here in Greece today is the best race going on in the world today for women with breast cancer. The absolute best. And I have to tell you that 1.6 million people will run in a race for breast cancer this year. 1.6 million people, and you are adding to that, and you are part of that. One other person I want to mention for sure is our precious brother Charlie, who does work at Amelia for women with breast cancer, treating women who otherwise wouldn't get treatment, and he is here with us today. Ambassador Speckhard and his wife, Dr. Ann Speckhard, must be here because they have been beautiful for us and they are running in this race. I know that the mayor is here, and we're so proud to have him, the Minister Demetrius, and Cleopatra, to you and all of the women in Almazoias, thank you for doing this, and thank you for allowing us to be just a small part of what is going to be a wonderful event. Thank you so much.
Even the money weird too. Domestic bread and a
Γεια σας λοιπόν. Τώρα έχουμε πέρασει πάλι το τελευταίο καιρό. Και μάλλον που πρέπει να την πάρουμε και να φύγουμε. Θα κάνει κάτι άλλο νομίζω κάτω.
And here's David Baker. Hey David,
yes.
Would you tell me how it makes you feel to be out here today at the first Greece Race for the Cure?
You know, it's really an honor to come from Houston and come to Athens and experience the excitement, the thrill of a race, and also the emotions that always come with it. And I'm just blessed to have the honor and privilege to be here. This is exceptional, just absolutely extraordinary. And for the Greek people, they really know how to put on a great race. It's been a tremendous start.
Maybe Freddie can take the picture since you're with us.
Do you want to come down so she can get us? And it's a very, very great joy for me to be here with all these people who came for us. And we wish next year will be the double of this.
How many people here today?
More than 5,000 seems so.
Wow.
Yes.
Beautiful job. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Margarita. I'm an 8-year survivor, and I'm very, very happy to be here today. It means so much for me, all this event, and I hope to be much more people next year.
Oh,
Okay?
thank you.
We'll double you.
Yes,
We'll
double
double
it.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful.
Now, I'm a doctor here in Greece, I'm a radiologist, and I'm dedicated to breast imaging. Today, it is a great pleasure for me to be here, and I'm from Wendy Anderson, which is a woman, and it's a great pleasure to all the survivors of breast cancer. It means a lot to everybody.
Francis, I'm 14 years old and I'm here to support breast cancer. Hi, I'm Malia Zavala. I'm 15 years old and I'm here to support breast cancer too.
And you're Girl Scout?
Sorry?
And you're a Girl Scout?
Yeah, I'm a Girl Scout.
Okay, great.
Hi, my name is Arthur. That's right.
Thank you. Well, thank you for being here for today and for doing all that you do.
My name is Francesca. I'm 36 years old. I got sick when I was 31. I've been a survivor for 4.5 years. I really enjoy this event today. I think it's very important for young women to know that, I don't know how to say it in English,
To be aware.
to be aware, yes, and have them self-tested soon enough so they can be a survivor if it happens to them.
Θέλω να πω ότι σήμερα είναι μια ευτυχισμένη μέρα της ζωής μου.
I want to say that today is a very happy day of my life.
Γιατί έγινε το πρώτο race for the Cure στην Αθήνα.
Because the first race for the Cure in Athens took place here.
Νομίζω ότι ήταν πάρα πολύ πετυχημένο.
I think and I believe it was very, very successful.
Και είμαι σίγουρη ότι από εδώ και μετά το race θα γίνει θεσμός.
I'm sure that we're gonna do it again and again for the next years.
Ευχαριστώ πολύ τη Susan Komen για την ευκαιρία που μας έδωσε.
I would like to thank very much Susan Komen for the opportunity that they gave us.
Και εύχομαι ο αγώνας ο σημερινός να βγάλει σε μια πάρα πολύ καλή και εύχομαι ο σημερινός αγώνας να είναι τόσο πετυχημένος όσο ήταν ο σημερινός για την υγεία των γυναικών με καρκίνο μαστού.
And I wish that the race for the health of the woman will be as successful as it was this event today.
Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ, ευχαριστώ για όλα.
Thank you very, very much for everything.
Και σας περιμένουμε και του χρόνου μαζί όλοι.
And we are waiting for you next year.
The next year για το επόμενο race for the Cure.
For the next race. Thank you.